If you're experiencing a connection error on your JuiceBox 2026, follow these simple steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check power supply. Ensure that your JuiceBox 2026 is properly plugged into a power outlet and that the outlet is functioning. Look for any signs of damage to the power cord or plug. Step 2. Inspect Wi-Fi connection. Verify that your Wi-Fi network is operational. Check if other devices can connect to the same network. If not, restart your router and ensure it is within range of the JuiceBox. Step 3. Restart the JuiceBox. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Update firmware. Check if there are any firmware updates available for your JuiceBox. Use the JuiceBox app or website to see if an update is needed and follow the instructions to install it. Step 5. Reset to factory settings. If the problem persists, consider resetting the JuiceBox to its factory settings. Refer to the user manual for instructions on how to perform a factory reset, keeping in mind that this will erase all custom settings. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the connection error on your JuiceBox 2026. If issues continue, consider reaching out to customer support for further assistance.